So, welcome. Today is, I think this should be my second video. Let me try and see. Okay. Welcome to this new video. Today we're gonna do this workshop, build a loan qualification checker from FreeCodeCamp. Afterwards, we shall maybe build a link here. Yeah, so let's just start with this one. Let me just put music, background song. So Lofi. So as I said, today I'm going to build a loan qualification checker for on this FreeCodeCamp. FreeCodeCamp, yeah. So let me just, I'm still on my journey. Up to now, I've already done 122 steps. So basically, it remains me more than 500 steps again to complete the whole JavaScript course. So maybe this music's too loud. We'll reduce it. So let me start. So let me start with the first step. Okay. In this workshop, you will review JavaScript conditionals by building a loan qualification checker app. So what's first of all a loan qualification? Sorry, a bit tired. Editor. Notepad. Where I will brainstorm. Yes, please. It's too much. So I think it's better that I should look inside the layer. The app will check whether the user is eligible for a duplex car and a condo loan based on their annual income. A credit score is a number that represents how good you are at managing borrowed money. Okay, I understand. So it's just like this banking stuff. Before they want to give you money, you have to. Here in Germany, we talk about Schufa, something like that. You have to have a very good Schufa score before being granted money. Let's say if you want to rent a house, you have to have a good Schufa score. So I think it's the same thing, but in America, so in American context. Sorry. So to get started, create the following variables and values. Okay. To create a variable, use the constant let minimum income for duplex. I thought that I was supposed to put them in constant, maybe use the const 6,000, but I will look at it again because I thought there would be this thing would be a fixed value and we don't have to update it all the time. For example, but it does not make sense since this minimum income for duplex is something that is voted by the bank, and I think it's voted based on certain conditions. So we can also, it can be changed. So it will be, I think, intelligent to use let instead of count. So score for duplex. So main income. Income for condo. I don't really know the meaning of condo, but I'll check it out. Condo. Right. Afterwards, let new credit score for condo. Let's say 680. Let main income score come for car 30,000. Let new credit score for car 650. Okay, let me stop it. Good. When the user is eligible for a loan, you will want to display the message in the console. For that, you will build out a function inside which you will have some checks that will return the loan the applicant is eligible for. Create an empty function with the annual income and credit score as parameters. So function get loan. I wanted to use the arrow function syntax, but I prefer to continue like this. I will list the launch again to delete it. I don't want to delete what I've already written. So the annual income normally is the amount of money you receive every year, and the credit score is the score that is being used to determine whether you're eligible for a certain amount of loan for the loan. Say that. So the next step is to check which loan a user is qualified for based on the annual income credit score. You have to use if statement or ternary right inside the get function. Okay, ternary operation, they just mean this. I think this. For example, if you want to check if the credit score is less than 10, let's say 100 units, we use these ternary operators, and if it's true, you will receive the loan, and if it's false, I think you are not eligible for the loan. So that's the meaning of this ternary operation. So you will return the appropriate message in the block of each condition. So you already have an idea of what to do. Start with the duplex loan. Check if the annual income is greater than or equals to the income duplex, and if it's greater than or equals to the minimum credit. So either condition is true, then the applicant is eligible for the duplex loan and other loans. So inside the check, return the string you are qualified for blah, blah, blah. Okay. So if I get it well, let me drink some water. I'm thirsty. Sorry. So start with the duplex loan and check if. So let me check this if condition. So if the annual income is greater than or equals to the minimum income, and if is credit score. So these two decisions in one. So I just do it. Let's go change. Second is with the credit score. Credit score. If the credit score is greater than or equals to the normally in my editor I will be proposed to, let's say so I'll be proposed let's just leave it. So if that condition is true, so the applicant the applicant is eligible for duplex loan. So inside the check, return the string. Okay, console log. I don't see the necessity of a return statement of the return. Let's say keywords. Yes, that's the right word. Sometimes when I write these strings and I have a space in between them that does not match to there's a space between them which makes the thing when I would run the text, when I will run the code, or the test will not be correct because there will be space in between. For example, there will be space between here and when after running the test, the machine or the compiler will signal me that there's an error. It's not a big error. So I think that I understood, but this beginning part, at the beginning here, to check which loan is the user is qualified based on the other, you have to use if else statement or a ternary operator, blah blah blah. You will return. Okay, let's me check. Okay, there's a problem. I knew because I think it's not complete. Yeah, get let's say should return a string. Okay, let me just put return a string. Checking return a string. Your get function get loan function should return the string. Okay, so this should be proven here. But here is it. If maybe strings just to avoid the log function. Okay. So I was not supposed to do when we were not supposed to log it. So eventually, always support. I will do that at the end of the curriculum, not at the right most end, but at the end. But I will do it in the middle, something like that. So, if the applicant, let's say, okay, let's just continue because, as I said, there was more than one. It's just more than one if statement. So at the description, on the description, there was this thing saying that we have to use the if and the else if statement. So I was a little bit confused. But here we go. If the applicant annual income is greater than or equals to minimum income condo, and if their credit score is greater than or equal to, then they are qualified for a condo and a car loan. Check if it is true in the get loan function, and if it is, return this string. Okay, let's if statement. Where so minimum income for condo is minimum income. So annual income is greater than total two binary, two decisions to make. Okay, the next one is check also is the credit score is greater than or equals to the mean credit score or Condo. And if it's true, we return the string you qualify for this. Let's continue. Step 5. Okay. So now you should check if the applicant is qualified for a car loan only if they are returned, you are qualified. How to check if someone is qualified for a car loan? I think here I will finish with the else statement, because if they are not qualified for this duplex condo on a car loan, and if also they are not qualified for a condo and a car, that means they should be either qualified for a car loan. I also think they should also be qualified, because if they are qualified for a car loan and a condo, means the second step, the second condition, the second case will not be taken. If they are qualified, is it possible to be qualified for a duplex and a car loan? I don't think so. So here will be a return statement. Read the string value. So there's an error. Your user should return undefined if the applicant annual credit. Your return define if the become annual credit. Annual income, sorry. Credit score don't meet the requirement for a car loan. Okay. Thing that's it here. Something. So how do we check for car loan? Okay. So it is okay. Condo. Okay, I understand. So, sorry. Annual income should be here. Whether the equals to minimum income or car. So I think that I was supposed to describe the program a bit in the beginning, but then so sorry it. So what we have here is also credit. Credit score. So credit score greater than, I think should be like this. We learn by error. So that was right. Normally, I read somewhere that if you want to solve a problem, you should first of all describe it very well with details. Let's say describe it very well and cleanly. And when you do so, you have already solved 50% of the problem. So I think I'm supposed to use that method. I will use it for the next exercises or for the next programs. So let's go on. Step 6. If the applicant annual income score fall below, they don't qualify for any loan. So return the string okay, I understand. So let me just use an if statement. If statement, if else. Two conditions. Means because of this on, so annual income is lesser than minimum income. So let me just copy the okay. Now return statement. So now we are going to test our function. So now it's time to test your get loan message function. Use the table below to create 4 variables. And your values after that log each variable in the console to see the message. What with that your loan qualification checker project done. So you just want to creating variables duplex loan message just to get loan message. So we call the function message different. Just copy the line. So loan message Condo. Condo message. $25,000. So I am done. No, I'm not done. After no loan message. So should be the else statement. So now I have to console log every variable. So the Duplex message. No, you know what? I will copy all of them. Copy. Copy. So control console log Windows V. What is the next one? Condo. Copy also this one. Paste. After Condo, what we do? We have car loan. Paste. I'm sorry. I think it should be here. Car loan. No loan message. Loan message. I think it's okay. Test it. Good. That was all for this project. Okay, the next project to do is that will be the next video. Build a leap year calculator. Thank you for watching.